I think I left him somewhere I no longer go. And I watch you run away now from all the lovely things we hate now.
On the way to St. Benson.
Where did we go? Oh, I don't know. But I know it feels like somewhere far away from home.
Can't wait.
And it's
so excited.
falling into pieces. No, there's not a way that we could stop this.
Hey! You ready to wait this long merch line?
Yep, what else do we have to do?
Go up there and
This
look.
merch line is kind of, it's about 1,000 people in front of me in the merch line.
Oh, as I lay here by myself and it's 4 a.m. I wonder, did I put you through hell? Oh no, I need to know if you're okay. I wanna know, I need to know if you're okay.
Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Apparently we're at a club. Been down there in the pit.
We're too old for the pit.
I know you don't wanna see me. What if I got down on my knee? Oh, oh, oh. If you wanna take it out on my body. Please stand up with me. My name is Seavey, if you don't know. And I'm so grateful to be here. But most importantly, who's ready to see Benson Boone? That is one of the sweetest dudes I've ever met. I love that guy to death. And I'm just so thankful to be here. This next song just came out. It's called Other People. And if you know it, please sing along. If you don't, I really hope you enjoy it. Sometimes the fire fades away. When I die, it will fade too. Those lights look beautiful. Put your lights on.
Do you believe I was alive? Or was just you and me and I? We don't need a way, we don't need a sign. It's only you and me and I. And do you believe there is a life where it's just you and me and I? know how much I would love Santa Barbara, never drifting up, but I know that it's gotta be so beautiful. If that's where you were born, and all brown hair, your mom doesn't like you, got a mud tattoo, so dirty and high, just so unusual. Never met someone like you before. Somebody? Me too. And I don't hate a lot of people. It takes a lot for me to not like you. But sometimes, whether it's an ex, a family member, or whoever it is, people come into your life and they screw it up a little bit. And this song's called Drunk in My Mind. That's for those people. Happened pretty quickly, jumping in with both feet. Oh, though I can't see nothing below, so ready to give up my soul. Moving past the boundaries into water so deep and cold. How could I possibly know which way the river would flow? Oh, I need my way through my try. After I came your mind, you had me drunk in my mind. But I should have told you that it's over. Even if I said that you were so good at the time. St. Louis? You feeling good tonight? It's beautiful outside. It's very nice weather. Are you guys too warm, too cold? I can't change it, whatever you say, but I'm just wondering, too warm, too cold? We're good? We're feeling good? I'm feeling good. It's your birthday? How old are you turning, miss? 22? I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. I'm 22 too. You know, sometimes fans can be, well, at shows, you guys can be pretty loud, pretty overwhelming. It makes me kind of just, like I just want to cry. think I left him somewhere I know not to go. And I watch you run away now from all the lovely things we hate now. Where did we go? Where did we go? I don't know. But I know it feels like somewhere far away from home. And it's falling into pieces. No, there's not a way that we can stop this now. 1,000 miles an hour, we're driving off the edge. And darling, now there's nothing left. When I look at you, and when you look at me, oh, there's still two lovers. So who the hell are we? And when I look at you, when you look at me, oh, there's still two lovers. And every time I go away, I hate that you today, and then I'll never see your face. I'm lost in outer space. When I'm looking down below, there she goes. Oh, now you're crying, you're in pieces, 'cause the only love you've ever known is Jesus. I can feel it. Oh, I hate that I'm the reason that you're in your head right now. While your world is spinning now. So slow it down, take a moment now. We're too young to drown. Deep in dirty waters full of hopeless love. Let me pull you round, let me hold you now. Let me slow it down. Slow it down when you spin around in your head. Have you ever been scared of something? Have you ever had a fear that you can't get over? Something that just terrifies you? My fear, my thing that I can't get over is being alone. I hate it. I don't want to be alone. I love people. I love my family. I love my friends. I love you guys. And I want this forever. So, if you've ever related to that, if you've ever not wanted to be alone, if you've ever had someone in your life that you love so much that you cannot bear to let them go, this song is for you. This is my favorite song on Fireworks and Rollerblades. It is called My Greatest Fear. I get paranoid about the way that you've been holding on, like you're halfway gone. Oh, I'm me. I just want to preface this before we started. I'm a pretty happy dude. I'm a pretty positive and energetic dude, and I like to bring energy. That's kind of my vibe. But I don't think it's very realistic to be that all the time. And there was a month in my life that was really hard for me, and I had a lot of stuff going on. And this song helped me a lot. It helped me get through a lot, which I can't say honestly about a lot of songs. This one is called Hello Love. Hello love, I missed your face, but I feel it different way. And though this time I never knew, if you believe in me or I believe in you, now I'm caught between the black and blue. Just for fun, that guy needs somebody to hold. It kinda makes me feel like I wish I could change my name. I wish I could start again and fly me to a lonely place where you never see my face, so you never feel the pain of I lost somebody in my life that I love very much, and I think losing somebody on this beautiful earth is something that unfortunately we are all going to experience at times. And that is the beautiful thing about being a human being, is no matter who you are, no matter where you come from, what color your skin is, how much money your family makes, where you were born, how you were born, what you look like, it does not matter. We're all bound to lose people that we love in our lifetime, and you cannot avoid it. This song specifically is about my grandmother, but today I will not be singing this song for my grandmother. I lost somebody very, very close to me just 2 weeks ago, and probably a lot of people here honestly can relate to that, have recently lost people that we love. But this song is not for me, and I'm not singing this song for me. This song is for all of us. So if you know the words, please sing them. And if this is your first time hearing In the Stars, welcome to the family. Here she goes. Now, Sunday mornings are just sleeping. It's like I buried my faith with you. I'm screaming at a God, I don't know if I believe it. Digging through your own birthday letter, a crumpled 20 still in the box. And I don't think that I could ever find a way to spend it, even if it's the last 20 that I've got. Oh, I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause this one means forever. the rest in pieces. I'm still holding forever. Down all these roads before, and what we found don't live there anymore. It started. If my hand is not the one you're meant to hold, maybe I'd be happier with someone else. Maybe loving me's the reason you can't love yourself. Before I turn your heart into a ghost town, show me everything we built so I can tear it all down. Been holding on but wasn't meant to stay. I turned this love into a wasteland. It's dark, it's cold. If my hand is not the one you're meant to hold, maybe I'd be happier with someone else. Maybe loving is the reason you can't love yourself. Before I turn your heart into a ghost town, show me everything we built so I can tear it all down.
I was very excited to show Fireworks and Rollerblades to somebody very specifically who was very important to me and my job. And I showed him this song, the album, the whole album. It was like 14 songs or something. After listening, top to bottom, he's like, hey Benson, I just listened. Top to bottom. And after listening, I don't like it. And I'm gonna be honest, I was pretty pissed. I was pretty mad. And I went into the studio the next day and I'm like, all right, I'm just gonna put one more song on this and I'm just gonna release it anyway. And it is this song that I'm about to sing. Again, this is the only song I have ever written angry. So it's a little bit different of a song. It's called What Do You Want?
You felt a subtle breeze, and so I ripped away my skin to warm your bones. And you said you don't like secrets, so I told you more than you ever had to know. So please, what do you want from me? I've been dancing on fire, and now I'm dying on my feet. Oh, please, what more can I be? I can hold you on my shoulder, now I'm breaking at the knees.
us for tonight. You have been beautiful. But let's go out with a bang, okay? I know you know the words, so sing them with me.
For a while it was rough, but lately I've been doing better. Then the last 4 cold Decembers are cold, and I see my family every month. I found a girl my parents love. She'll come and stay the night, and I think I might have it all. And I thank God every day for the girl he sent my way. And 'cause I know the things he gives me he can take away. Oh, and I hold you every night, and that's a feeling a woman get used to. But there's no man as terrified as the man who stands to lose you. Oh, I hope I don't lose you. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Take these beautiful things that I've done. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Take these beautiful things that I've done. Please don't take these. And I got lost, but I'm up at night thinking I just might lose it all. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Take these beautiful things that I've got. I want you, I need you, oh God. I need St. Louis!
Just got out of Benson. That was
Oh my god, that
Effing
was a
awesome.
stellar
So fucking
performance.
good.
Oh my gosh, one of the best concerts I've ever been to.
I'm glad you liked it.
Seriously, loved every song. I loved every in between moment.
He
where
talked a lot.
Where he was talking to
enjoyed
us,
that.
talking to the crowd, making it personal.
Yeah. What you think? Think Benson's
That
got a
was-
career in this?
Oh my god, it's hard to believe that was his like first tour ever.
He
Really,
was killing it.
for a debut album, he crushed it. It's like he's been doing this his whole life.
That's for sure. I thought he was gonna break an ankle.
I know. I was so afraid for him every single time he did a flip. But he
must
killed
have-
it.
must
He
have
had so much
hefty insurance.
energy. He talked to the crowd. He hyped us
Yeah.
up. It was so much fun.
So good.
Opener was great too. Really loved him.
Yeah, we gotta check some more stuff in it.
For sure.
More of his stuff out.
Awesome concert.
Check out Benson, go to one of the shows. You'll love it.
Most definitely. Later.